Green, 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 green on the screen, yeah, I keep it clean. Green, 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 green. Yeah. Pre-flight checklist, I don't chase the scene. Wait for 8+, say those patients stay green. I be braced, then I follow what I've seen. One trade done if the first one's green. Green, 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 green. Make every trade count, keep the plan routine. Green, 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 green. Yeah. Risk on lock, never tilt, never lean. Cut it fast if the trade ain't green. Run it on, let it flow, stay serene. Small base hit, stack up to green. No trade is a trade if it ain't pristine. Discipline first, that.
I didn't even know I was muted. All right, we're back. Aye. So what's up, everyone? Welcome into the show. Welcome in. I was muted. Sorry about that. Happy Wednesday, everybody. I hope you're doing well. I'm happy to be able to be trading today and to be able to have some opportunities in these markets. So I'm going to be looking for my next best trade, right? I have a few planned ideas here. I'm kind of interested down here. I actually would have got a little snipey long there. But it looks like we're pushing previous day mid right now on ES and on NQ. Let me change something real quick. I just failed. Let's see. We got, NQ went back down below previous day high. I wanted to short this really bad. I wanted to short that. I didn't get it. I ended up getting chopped even though I had the right idea. So I'm going to wait for my next best opportunity here. And unless it's one of my planned trades, which I already have planned out, I got alerts set and everything. So I'm going to wait for those. But I'm going to look for the VWAP trade here at the opening range. So I have just about 7 more minutes here for the opening range to get set up, and I'm going to be this is a new trade I'm studying, so I'm going to trade it right size here. I mean, I'm trying to just send these evals, to be honest, but okay, I'm going to risk 500 in the evals. Back to the 500 risk model. How the stocks open up today? Let's look at the Mag 7 here real quick. Looking at Google. All right, we got green, 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 red, 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 red. Broadcom flipped red since open here. I kind of want to look for stocks. I kind of like DraftKings a little bit for a potential reversal down here. I'm probably gonna have to let it play out a little bit longer. I know, guys, I hate my, I barely got stopped on my Intel long. I should have had the stops below those lows there. I should have had the stops below those lows. I can't believe that. I like knew it was one of these things. And SMCI, guys, I had the long from down here on SMCI. I knew it too. I really like these plays. I just paper hand it myself here. I didn't have the right time frame on. I was on too low of a time frame. I needed to zoom out a little bit on this daily chart. So that's one thing I need to watch out for. And Gemini, guys, I'm actually going to keep averaging into this at some point down. I'm going to buy like, I'm going to keep adding to this. Wow, look at Rigetti too. Man, I had that somewhere in here. All right, so ARM took off. It's kind of thinking about the stone gap fill. All right, we are selling off here, guys. Let's flip back to the charts here. Look at this. What's up, Ritu? Hola. I'm gonna check my email real quick. Wow, quite the sell-off here. I'd be set in 3 minutes. I'm trying to check some email stuff. What's up, Alex Las Palmas? Hello, hello. So I'm waiting for the opening range trade. One more minute here, and then we will have the opening range set. And I'm going to look for potential double break or trend continuation, like mid-range trade. "45 seconds. I look really tired. Man, I am a little bit tired. I slept good last night though. Just after the stream, after the morning stream, like today, I actually went and laid down. And I could have fallen asleep. I didn't. All right, so here we go. We're getting an alert on MGC too. Okay, let's look at that. Interesting. We broke that previous day mid. And we just cycled all the way down to the bottom of this middle node, volume node. So PMI expected. Wait, what did we just get the news? Yeah, it's okay in 15 minutes, but we got some report right now. Huh. Wait, did they just release the news early? Oh, I'm looking at Monday. I was confused. Okay, yeah, it says 10. Yeah, okay. I was about to say. All right, wow. We did not hold previous day mid. We are trading through it here. Look at this range, guys. We just played the whole thing. Can't make this up. Can't make this up. I had that, man. I could have just shorted. Look, well, my short from yesterday was the top. That's crazy. Hold that with one micro in my, yeah. Pretty good, 1 micro in my personal. Yo, what up, Vikram in the house? Day's going chill. I'm kind of bummed I missed this short. After totally plotting it out and watching it happen in front of me. NQ was just psyching me out. So it's like, sometimes I just feel like I shouldn't. It's like certain times I really want them to be together, but then other times I don't care. It's like, man, ES showed what it was doing. And at the end, NQ obeyed. All right, look at where we are. This is wild. All we had to do is short. Man, I'm kind of bummed. So, PDL right here. I almost just want to buy it in this eval. Oh, I might have already missed the trade. Man, I would have wanted to do it in like minis. I just missed that trade, didn't I? Yep, that's exactly what I wanted right there. That bounce. That first bounce. I might try to do it again. Risk this whole account. Yeah, I missed it, so I have to wait. Oh, I could have bought it again too. Look at that. I did another. I'm just watching it for fun now, but watching Bookmap, watching the order flow on the footprint chart. But man, yeah, that was a good little buyback twice from previous day low. So that would have been the snipe right there. Man, that was the trade. I'm trying to convince myself to take those shots a little bit more when I hit the level, like right at the levels, getting the good entries, but only on evals. But today I sized up a little bit, right? So I blew one eval, so now I'm a little bit scared, a little more hesitant. I'm not scared, just hesitant. Like I don't want to blow it real quick on a move like that and not really have a plan for the sizing and stuff. So I need to make a plan for when I do it. But my overall plan is about 10 points. Like give it 10 points, and that way I can risk $500 on one mini. So I think that's going to be my vibe for scalping this and doing the level or doing trying to get the better entry right on my level compared to waiting for the 30-minute. But for now, I'm going to wait for the 30-minute. I'm going to need a whole other 30-minute candle at the very least to set up here before that goes long. So I'm going to need to watch for absorption, order flow, all this stuff. But that was a really nice reaction from the PDL. 10 points right there. That's the money. All right, so in the meantime, I'm going to make sure I have all my accounts logged in here, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect from my Tradeify and reconnect because I added an account. Here we go, fresh 100K in the house. Let's go. Maybe I should actually just have my 100Ks copy trade. All right, I'm going to start copy trading my 100K. All right, there we have it. I got my 100K locked in. Load it here. $25K, I'm doing 200 per trade. And then personal, I'm doing 100 per trade. 50K eval, doing 500 per trade. Boom. All right, sweet. I got my risk management, everything set up, locked in. All right. What up, you Kaleem? Are you saying semiconductors are dropping? Keep dropping semis. Man, this long from PDL, I wanted to take it too. I almost just fat fingered it on this eval. I resist it though to follow my rule, or to lock in and get ready for a potential funded trade. But let's see, actually on the 1 minute, we're potentially about to break back up. So we could do a double break here for the long. All right, here's what I'm going to look for on the eval. Make sure we're in the right account. Yep. And I'm going to go for risking $500. Let's see if we can get back over this New York VWAP and orb, opening range. I don't like calling it orb because opening range break. Well, opening range. Let's get back in the opening range. Otherwise, I'm going to be looking for another 30-minute candle, looking for a bottom formation to take it back. First trade or break worked out well on MNQ. Now waiting for IB second play. Okay, wait. What? It worked out on MNQ without me? Oh, shoot. I didn't mean to do that. Oops. I just closed out the order system. Let's see. That worked out without me? Oh, but we never broke the we never didn't break the opening range first, did we? Man, I messed my chart up. I messed my chart up on stream. I was listening to everyone changing my chart settings for me. Wait, what do I have my other one set at? Here we go, guys. ISM data coming out. And factory orders. 53.7 is expected. Okay, wait, what? I didn't do this right. Still doesn't look right. Still doesn't look right. It's coming in higher at 54.5. For factory orders, coming in higher too. 4.8%. We're expecting 4.6. It came out 4.8 for the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. It came out for 54.5, a little hotter than expected. It was expected at 53.7. So I just missed my long or what? This chart still looks wrong to me. I don't get it. One more, maybe? Whatever. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this chart, but London. Yeah, so I never saw. Did we get the double break here? No, that's London. I don't think we ever got the double break on NQ. And here we go. We might get it on ES though, so I'm going to go ahead and get these orders back on. I might be sized up a little bit more on this one. Okay, whatever. I'll do it right. I'll just give it a little more room instead. I'm going to move my camera down. So if we hold below this, actually, that could be a good short sell. Especially the way we've been coming down. $16 seconds on this 1 minute candle. Okay, I'm going to do one more. 5. Okay, still no close above. Still no close above. We got 26 seconds left on this candle. Keeping it simple here. I'm waiting for the 1 minute close. Like, I'm not overcomplicating it, to be honest. Here we go. Five seconds. Can we close over the VWAP? And it's not looking like it. Reject right below that orb too. That's crazy, the timing. It's like that could be a short. Watching this order flow right now. Yes, holding up. Okay, there we go. Below the buyers on ES now. That's a potential short, I think. I have to wait. I'm not going to short it. I like that we're holding above that previous day low right now. So I really like the longs just from right at that previous day low, and that would have really paid out good here. I really should have just nabbed that long. I don't know why I didn't. It's right in the middle of all three of my levels. Like, that's just a buy the level situation. Or, yeah, buy it in the situation. We are holding below right now, the orb. Stay mid. All right, we're holding previous day mid on NQ. Meanwhile, previous day low on ES. Another 1 minute closing below. I'm being patient here. I'm still looking for this double break. Oh man, I'm so ready for a nap. You call me GG. What's your avatar there? Check and form in the free Discord for extra entries when we do run a giveaway, which I'm working on some giveaways right now. I'm just waiting. Very interesting price action here, watching the footprint chart. I want to add volume to this. Man, that PDL was so perfect. I'm thinking we're still gonna get this double break. So I'm almost tempted to get in early. I'm trying to wait for the 1 minute close outside of it to be disciplined. 45 seconds. About to chug this coffee. Here it is, 20 seconds. Let's see if we reject 650 on NQ here. It's right where we topped off before an NQ. Two seconds, there it is. We're in. I almost want to YOLO the rest of this eval. I'm going to. All right, let's go for it. Double break. I'm sending this eval on it. Make it back, get them down, or lose it. I'm going to take a screenshot too from my journal. All right, guys, ready to twin it. Wish me luck. What's up? What's up? It's Deeks in the house. To see eval trade here, I'm going to wait for a funded trade. Let's see, what do we have here on the clock? 15 more minutes. I gotta check an email. We gotta switch up the tune. I forget that this it doesn't change the song automatically for you, so that's kind of weird. Yo, what up, Jabble? This is that previous day market open level. Okay. What's up? What's up? What's goody? So yeah, I really like this bounce from previous day low, guys. So I'm waiting for the next 30-minute close. You already know I'm waiting for that 30-minute flip here, but this candle's not touching the level, so it sucks because for this eval, I would have loved to get long right from previous day low, especially because it's right in the middle of the fib levels. And PDL, just grab that for the eval trade. Just right on the dot, send that eval on that. Boom, 18 points. So that's kind of like, I would have loved that trade. I almost clicked the button, but I was like kind of stumbling around to get to do it when we tagged it. So now though, I need to wait for the 30-minute close. I'm not going to take it on this 30-minute candle because it's too big. 43 points, way too big. No R&R, that's not the trade. So I'm going to have to wait for another candle here. Hopefully we get a candle that tags the low, stays bullish, and then we can take that reclaim back into the range. Otherwise, I'm going to have to stay patient for one of my setups. We could even go back up, and then I could take the short again, just like I have the other days. But this long down here would have been fire. How's the day? The day is daying still. Chilling here, waiting for setups. Eval trade right here is on. Double break VWAP. Broke below the orb, broke back up, clearing the VWAP. I'm still studying this trade, so I'm still learning. No clue what I'm doing. That's why it's in evals. That's why it's in an eval. All right, so I'm going to check this email real quick. I'm trying to find a certain email. Coffee. I can't find this email anywhere. It's interesting. Oh, here it is. I found it. Confirming ownership. All right, there we go. Emailed. Well, this trade's starting to take a while. Let's see. We got the 30-minute close in 3 minutes, and we have not tagged our level yet. Well, we did the first time, but there's other ways to take these candles, but I'm not going to get into it right now. If I really, really liked it, I could have my stop below the previous candle with the entry above this candle. So there are different models here to take this. I'm not looking for that though. I'm going to be patient, see if we get another candle interaction down here. I just still wish I sent that eval from PDL. Can I share some songs? Can you share these songs? They do actually have copyright on them, so I can't do that. Oh, Austin took the same long. Double break, trade, and play long. Stop at session low. Target is ORH or value area low above us. Oh, opening range high or value area low. Okay. Oh, that's previous day value area low? Where do I have mine at? 7601. All right, nice. I took the same trade as Austin. I'm doing good. I'm not even watching. I'm not in their stream thing yet. I'm still not. I haven't got all my stuff organized. There's a whole course and thing I haven't done. Normally, I would be the one who would like watch the course like 4 times before even posting or something. But maybe I'm jaded streamer now. No, I'm gonna do it. I just have been busy and I forgot that you have to type in a code. So he offers a free month in his group, so I needed that code. It's trying to charge me, and I knew there was something wrong. Where did you get those nice songs, by the way? Oh, from Licked Music. It's called, yeah, they do like music licensing. Yep. Is it too loud though? Actually, it is a little loud. It's really loud. I want to turn it down. All right, guys, 10:30 candle. Nothing on ES. Let's check NQ real quick. Yeah, look at this. NQ went all the way back up. I'm not touching the 30-minute trade here. Double VWAP is still in. Look, we're right at break even. Longing here. Stops at the swing low in the 1 minute. Targeting opening range high. I'm going to go and tell you, this is from Austin's Discord straight to you live, stealing the information I pay for. Austin said he's in the same thing and looking to target value area low or opening range high. So I just gave you guys a little freebie there. Sorry, Austin. I love it too that he responded. He said, he said, same Luna. I posted it in there. Why do I have so many different guys? I don't know what's going on here. Anchored VWAP. Okay, let's delete that one. What's this one? Anchored VWAP. Let's just delete it. What's this one? This one's London Open. Okay, we'll do that. I'm gonna leave London Open on, then delete it. Well, that's kind of interesting. There's this news article out right now that says companies are using Reddit to manipulate ChatGPT and Google AI search. Interesting. All right, I'm going to stay locked in here, wait for a couple more 30-minute candles, and also let this trade play out. So I'm going to finish my email. Yeah, I'm going to just finish my email real quick. Sorry to be distracted. I'm going to finish this email real quick, and then I'm ready to focus on the stream. Let's go. Talking to Discord. It's time for trading room giveaway. All right, we're each put in what, $100, and we flip the wheel. Dude, this contract says it's for an entire year. I'm literally signing contracts for a month. You jump in from your car. But you know the deal. We're all putting in $100. That's the giveaway. You put 100, I put 100. Brick puts in 100. We spin the wheel. I don't know if I should sign this. It seems like the date's wrong. Man, I hate this type of stuff. Man, why can't people just make contracts right? I've had so many guys, you would be surprised. Like, companies will send out contracts that are completely wrong. That type of stuff makes me sometimes like, yeah, I don't know about this. Oh, here we go. Okay, but it says partner application approved. Yep. Yep. Oh God, I don't want to look at it. Well, dude, also into all of the ones I had, SMCI, Intel, all my stocks have pumped, but I had too tight of stop losses. Oh, because the TSLL, it's only daily leverage, so it resets every day, so you can easily dig yourself in a hole. Well, you didn't trade Bitcoin bull tokens back in the day, and guess what, Brick? It's still below where I exited, so I still win. TSLL is below. I exited above here, like somewhere around like $16 or something. Oh shoot. Man, I accidentally just closed off my chart and didn't save. Dang it. That's annoying. I just closed out my chart. All right, guys, I think I got this. Yeah, I got this set up. Let's go. So everyone, special offer here. So sign up with my link and I'll enter you in for a giveaway to fund it next. Okay, so you gotta take a screenshot and send it to me. Oh shoot, I need to make an email and I'm gonna drop the link right here. So you gotta use my link. It's gonna be I'm gonna do a few of them, so make sure you'll be entered for all of them. So all you have to do is sign up using my link, and take a screenshot and email it to me. So I'm gonna figure out and for the subject line, what are we gonna put? Fund it next giveaway. All right. So all you have to do is sign up using my link, take a screenshot, email it to me, and I'm gonna actually check which email I want to use. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I'm gonna do a special giveaway here. There's gonna be a few of them here. I'll drop it in the Discord too, but you have to sign up using my link. There's going to be other ways to enter, but if you sign up using my link, I'm going to give people like 10 times the entries or something. So you got to take a screenshot and email it. I'm going to put the details. But I'm going to try to get people signed up for this one. It perhaps is, yes. But I'm gonna have a lot more stuff released, but it's just at least it's active now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start pushing it. But then I'll have more info soon. No, you don't even have to buy an account. Just sign up using my link. If you're already signed up, it's not, it's too late. I don't know. Screenshot. I don't actually know exactly yet. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly yet. I'm gonna have to figure it out as I go, but I'm just going to drop it now. I think what I'm gonna do is give everyone 10 entries who uses the link, 10 entries a week to the special giveaway I'm gonna be doing. I know I'm really bad at it actually. I always cut myself short on accident. All right, guys. So I'm going to get the details for this giveaway here squared away. So let me make sure. Let me find the email that I'm gonna have you guys send it to. No. Oh my god. Okay. All right, guys. You send it to Luna. Wait, is this done? I almost was. It's still loading. Okay, not confirmed yet. Hold on. I'm gonna give you guys an email. All right, we got it. So we're gonna send this to lunatradesgiveaway@gmail.com. Okay. So I'll drop the instructions again. Here, maybe Okay, so sign up using my link, and you can get entered into a special giveaway. Take a screenshot. All right, email a screenshot registering with my link, and you get 10 entries into 4 separate giveaways for a Fund It Next account. I think I said it right. All right, there it is. Let's go. Oh, here we go. So you're gonna send it to Luna Trade. Oh, sorry, yeah, Luna Trades giveaway. Oh wait, and that should have my email in it. What happened here? Hold on. Oh, it's too big to post. Here, email a screenshot. Here, I'm gonna post it in the Discord too. Don't worry. Sweet. Luna Trades giveaway at gmail.com. Correct. Yep. Man, how's it? What? I swear I put this email in here. That's so weird. Guys, why is that email not posting? That's so weird. I keep posting it. I swear. I don't know what's happening. I just keep copying the wrong thing, I guess. I'm so confused. It's Luna Trades giveaway at gmail.com. I'm going to post it in here. Does it not let me post my email? Yeah, there it goes. Luna Trades giveaway. Oh yeah, and put in the title, fund it next giveaway. Okay, I gotta keep editing these instructions. It'll be easier for me if you do that. Email a screenshot registering with my link to Luna Trades giveaway at gmail.com. Subject. Fund it next giveaway. On the account with all the investors. Guys, this is taking me forever to figure out. All right, let's see where we're at. Well, guys, I'm holding this trade here. Maybe we're going to get interaction though with our level again, and I'll actually get the long. So being patient here, waiting, chilling. I know it's not a very exciting stream, but we do our best to just wait for our trade, and that's it. Forget about the rest. So there were other trades. That's the right answer there. I have some more giveaways coming soon too. I'm excited to announce. I'm trying to load up on some giveaways for you guys. So there's going to be a little pause right now, and then we're going to go hard. We're going to go hard. And guys, all right, let's put the other accounts on. Tradeify select daily. Where's all my fund? I'm going to get all my fundeds in here. There they are. I know. And meanwhile, my kids are still flying around in the other realm right now. Yep, they're percolating. Exactly. They're cooking up. My dad, maybe I'm following my dad's footsteps. He was like 41 or something, I think. So guys, I'm chatting in the Discord. You can be in the Discord too. We have our trading room where everyone just hangs out and trades together. So I'm just going to stir up my stats. Remember why I'm patient for my setups. Why I'm patient for my setups. And let's just go to the live. You're a McLaren guy. Nice. Do you like older? Are you more like classic cars then? You like a practical car, like a nice truck, but not too big either. Yeah, if you already have an account with Fund It Next, guys, I'm gonna find ways to give you other. Oh, sorry, guys, you're on in the Discord. There we go. If you already have a Fund It Next account, then you will have other opportunities to enter in the giveaway beyond making a Fund It Next account. But if you haven't registered an account yet, register using my link. Take a screenshot and send me an email. Email to Luna Trades giveaway at Gmail, and put in the subject line Fund It Next giveaway, and I'm going to give you 10 entries for a whole month, 4 different account giveaways, and I might actually keep carrying it through longer. So here we go. I see the emails coming in. Let's go. I didn't hear any of that. And why can't I spell thorough? The heck? There we go. Done. Sweet. All right, guys, we're going to run up Fund It Next here. I got an account to trade. Let's go. All right, how's the trade? It's failing me. Yeah, what's up, Loco in the house? Let's go. Yeah, guys, I'm super tired today. Dude, I got my friend's Moog right here. I want to jam it more. Yeah, Jabble. I'm risking I'm risking this whole account. I already used half of it this morning. So don't do that. I mean, I'd normally in my fund accounts, you know, I'm not risking more than what is it, 350K? So in my mind, you know, I'm risking half of the eval, so it's like $45. But I just blew last week and this week. I blew all the evals I try to YOLO, so I don't even know what I'm doing. I need to size down on them. I need to size down and just take it slow. Flippity rippity, yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Well said. Well said. Flippity rickety. Anything could happen here in my mind, and I have this other trade. Oh, I'm interested in. Yeah, what's up, Insane Football? I haven't seen you for a minute. Guys, I might take a quick break soon. I'm going to let this trade play out, though, but I'm going to wait for a 30-minute close for that other trade idea, so I don't have anything else going on. Oh, yeah, about to use the code Luna at Lucid, baby. Let's go. Thank you, Miss K. I super appreciate that. Yeah, super, super appreciate it. You guys know this is like my full-time job. I closed my tree company for streaming. Yep. You've been busy? I hope it's good busy. I hope it's good busy, getting stuff done, making some money or whatever, working hard, something, taking care of your family, something that you're prioritizing. Hope you've been well. Yeah, hope everything's been good. Yeah, so use that sign up link. You get 10 times, and you get 10 entries for that. I'm going to find a way to give everyone else another entry. So like everyone will fill out the final form, and you'll get an extra entry for that too. So the people who use the sign up link, though, will have a lot more entries. Man, I'm going to make myself take a break, I guess, because I'm really tired. And I'm happy about this Fund It Next deal. So I have a Fund It Next account now. So shout out Fund It Next, guys. We're about to rock this thing. So I want to log into my account. Let's do a little Fund It Next deep dive here. All right, so I'm going to take a break, and then All right, let's go. I got an account. Legacy challenge, 50K. So I'm gonna have to. Oh my god. Did they really put my full name in my? They seriously put my full name in my account number. Jeez Louise, how are they gonna do us like that? What? So I'm only doing futures, only futures. I don't trade CFDs. Yeah. So I haven't loaded. I'm gonna load it up. Maybe I'll just trade it in Tradeovate. I'll pretend like I'm trading it here, guys. FundNX. No, I'll trade it in the Tradeovate website. All right, take it easy, Czar Trader. At this point, I don't think I will get an IB play today. Have a great day, guys. All right, take it easy, Czar. Yeah, I haven't been looking at that IB today, and now I'm just sitting here in this trade. Oh yeah, look, we're in the middle of IB. You've never made any payouts in 2 years. All right, Insane Football. You want some free months in Luna's Lounge? If you're serious, people in the lounge will help people who are serious and help people work towards payout. We got some really good traders. Some other people have taken their first payouts in the group. So if you want, I'll give you a free month. Okay, also, yeah, Insane Football. Will you, to make it easy, you can also just email me or message me on Discord, but email me Luna Trades giveaway and I'll give you a free month. Yeah. And then what I'll recommend, so I have like channels in there for everyone. And so start like document. You don't need to take a ton of trades or anything, but start documenting what your plan is and how well you're following it each day. And then if you vibe with someone in the group, maybe everyone's always very helpful, but you can kind of have a buddy from maybe one of the moderators, and maybe one of them will help you out here a little bit. And I mean, all of us will chime in, but maybe someone will take you on a little bit closer so that you can really kind of have someone trading by your side for the next month, on some level, guidance and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, just do it to Luna Trades giveaway. The one that I was just giving out. Because I guess I am giving you away. At Gmail. Jabble says, heck yeah, I feel that if you have trade setups that occur often throughout random times of the day, you can always look if a trade is setting up. Join Luna's Discord. Let's go. Yeah, the 30-minute flip has been the money lately, so that's really what I should probably focus on. Pretty much since May 1st, we've been doing that 30-minute flip, and if we put on all the accounts, this is just my personal account here, but let's put on all the funded accounts. Are these my current ones? Yeah, those are the current funded. So this is since May. I'm going to put on a date filter. I already have it on. Yeah, May 1st through the 2nd. So this is just doing the 30-minute flip. I don't think I took any other setups here that weren't the 30-minute flip. Might have to look back at my trade log. But we can see here, 74% win rate, 0.93 R, 35 trades. So not the largest data set, but solid, super solid. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna take a break. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make myself take a break. Yep. I'm gonna be right back though, like 10 minutes or so. Yeah, guys, we're drifting down here. All right, I'm gonna take my break. I'll just leave this trade on for now, and I'm gonna kind of keep my eye on it though, and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. You're talking about Austin Silver? Here you go, Savage. I'll give you a screenshot. All right, here you go, Savage, in the main chat. Brick's like, I'm not friends with you anymore. All right, well, Brick, you are moderator. Can you delete my post? Maybe not. It's like slightly cursed image. I mean, even us talking about it right now, he's like smart. If that was the only reason alone, his hair's gonna grow back. All right, I gotta get it. I'm gonna rest. I'll be back. All right, chat. I'm gonna be RB. Don't go anywhere. I will be back. I want to look for the 30-minute trade too, so I'm just kind of waiting here. I don't know which. Yeah, my level's down here at 75. I have alerts set. No, I don't actually. I'm gonna set some alerts. All right, guys. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, guys, I'm back. So, about to get stopped out here, huh? So check this out. We're tapping our level again. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me close my door. All right, we back, baby. So we're interacting with our levels again. We're about to get stopped out hitting these lows and of the double break, but that long down here was solid for an eval trade. I would take that. I'm going to try to start sniping my levels too, especially at an important level like previous day low after making the entire rotation down. I'm totally cool to scalp that. So that's something I'm going to be looking for in the future to start practicing also order flow and a slightly different trading style in evals only. Just like the trade right now, eval only, practicing the double break VWAP trade, and we did not get it. It stayed weak, closed back below. I mean, I probably could have closed out of this discretionarily, but that's not what I'm trying to do right now, though. I'm trying to hold it, gather information, and there we go, we're out. So it just liquidated. Remember how I said I was trying to risk the whole account? So I risked a little too much. I could have risked like 2 lots less or something. And look at that. If it doesn't hit my stop loss, guys, I'm going to be astonished that I just sized up. If it doesn't hit the stop, that's crazy because of pushing the account. But what I'm looking for now, though, is this 30-minute close. So we can see here we got 30-minute level right with our previous day low. What I'm going to be looking for is a 30-minute flip here. We have about 11 minutes and 50 seconds left on this candle. 2 ticks above, 2 ticks below. Because we have another wick next to it, we're actually going to use that wick. And so sometimes it depends. So 1, 2 is not yet to that one. So instead I'm going to use this one, 1, 2. Right here. That is the 30-minute flip. Previous day low, fib levels, taking it back to previous day mid right here, or previous day value area low. Or VWAP, but VWAP is not quite 0.5 R. So that's kind of, yeah, ideally it'd be nice if this was down lower. But that's the trade. We're back at previous day low right now. I mean, if this gives out, man, I hope Zach caught this, guys. Did Zarb catch this? I'm gonna go over to YouTube real quick. Let's see, Mr. Zarb. W. That short from yesterday too that Zach had. So look, again, could have sniped that level. So you see that? That's 5 points. There's a trade there, you know? There is a trade there. It's more advanced because where do you put your stop loss and all this type of stuff, you know? You don't have confirmation of any sort. You're just like putting a limit order there, maybe even. So there is a way to do that. And it just means you have to really trust your levels that there's going to be a reaction there. You're accepting that loss or whatever. At least that's where I would be at with it. This is also a sketchier entry because of these other candles here where we've been having lower highs, right? We could wick up and come back down and not really close above. So it's kind of a interesting position here to take this long. I have 8 minutes left on the 30-minute. I'm also looking at the 5-minute, which we're still below those EMAs. That daily candle is still red. It still looks like it could turn green somehow. I mean, somehow. It's just looking at the daily trend right now of all of these days. I can pull that up real quick. I can pull it up real quick. Let's see Atos. So you can see all of my 5 minutes here. Yo, what up, Paulo? No, the fun next giveaway, guys. We're not running in it yet. I think we're gonna do every Friday. But you get entered by emailing. There should be the instructions above here. We'll make some good instructions. They're in the Discord right now. That short PD high, that was the money. But it didn't. I mean, I tried to do it. I like the idea. I tried to do it on NQ because ES never swept the level, but NQ did. So that was the short, previous day high, all these shorts. That was the short. So guys, guess what? We still didn't hit my stop loss. But I sized up too much. So I accidentally sized up enough that a couple points difference blew my account. I needed to have 2 contracts less or something because I had a bunch of micros. I think I had like 9 micros. And I should have done like 7 or 6. Such a rookie mistake. That's like a terrible rookie mistake. Laziness. That is just pure laziness. Where that could literally turn into a winner now, and I blew it myself by not actually just doing what I thought I was doing. Like not even checking exactly the dollar amount that I was risking. Look, all I had to do was this. 9. Well, that should have been right. I guess maybe I just had a little less balance than I thought I did. Okay, guys, well, I'm going to wait for the 30-minute close, but it is almost noon. So I will be back tomorrow bright and early. All right, guys. So good luck. I'll be in touch. Check out in the Discord. Sorry, hold on. I'm listening to a call. Yeah, I got to go, so I got to take my class. So yeah, guys, I'm going to still watch for this potential trade here. And in the afternoon, if we come back up and we get the short from previous day high. Today, I just missed the trade. It was on NQ for me, the way it actually set up using my rules. And it would have been tricky anyways. So I would have had to take it on one of these candles up here. That one would have paid, right? Like that. And then it did come up and it would have stopped out though if we're greedy. So it depends, right? Because if we're holding for our level here, I don't think we would have won this trade. It would have came back up and stopped us out. If you followed the rule of moving to break even after 1 hour, you would have been protected at break even. If we're holding for the full move, even to right there, or if we held for VWAP though, that would have been a good target. VWAP 0.75R. VWAP and previous day point of control are great targets. So that would have been the way that that trade could have worked for us today using my strategy. Either way, this wick came back up at the open. So by doing the systematic entry using the 30-minute flip, it wouldn't have worked otherwise. And then here, it never tagged the level. So I would have had to get discretionary, just like I did yesterday, and been like, you know what? This is shorting. I'm going to find the short here, wherever it comes. And like we could have done the initial balance breakout here. Oh man, I should have recorded this as a short. We could have done the initial balance breakout here for the scalp. And that's it. That's like, yeah. Otherwise, no trades. Like then this came back up at open, or what was that? Was that open? No, that was pre-market. That was pre-market. Yeah. ES just kept selling. That's crazy. Breakout trade from this low too. This is a breakout trade using another strat from time to eat right here. Yeah. So there's ways it could have worked today. I could see it. I would have had to be a little more flexible to take this initial balance breakout. Also, I could have done that at London and just want to be short. So guys, I want to hop off and I want to do my class and stay focused. I'm going to look at this 30-minute candle. Maybe I get a long here on the next candle too. I'll look at this one and decide, or maybe one more 30-minute and I get a long down here. If it's holding, I'm going to look for absorption and some other things. So guys, I hope everyone trades safe today. Don't forget about the giveaway. I posted about it in the Discords, and you have to sign up with my link to fund it next using my link. It's in the Discord. And then take a screenshot and send it to lunaTradesGiveaway@gmail.com. Send me the screenshot, subject, and the email, fund it next giveaway, and you get 10 entries in the giveaway. You guys know that's a lot for my giveaways. We're small channels, so take advantage of that. and sign up for Fund It Next using my link, and we'll add it to the. It's not in the description, but we'll add it in the description to update our descriptions here shortly. So check out the link in the Discord or somewhere up in the chat if you scroll up. Yeah, here it is. All right, guys. Well, I will see you tomorrow. Take it easy, everyone. I'll post if I take a trade in the Discord as well. So stay in touch. All right. See you guys. Bye.
Every tick is a voice. Every candle, a question. The market is an auction, and only the patient find the truth.
It's the auction, fear in the crowd. Price moves loud.